Hat camera time. Can we get this to fly? One way to find out. No trimming yet. Well, that wasn't too bad. Well, we're sort of getting the distance. Oh, that was actually close to a good flight that time. Well, we actually hit the camera. Whether the camera would have caught it, I don't know. Well, we actually hit the camera. Whether the camera would have caught it, I don't know. Well, we actually managed to get this one to fly. I suspect it may have been because I let it dry out better before trying to fly it. And I also used super glue on the important joints, where the wing meets the fuselage and the tail meets the fuselage and where the wingtips meet the wings. I super glued them so they were faster drying, and the super glue gives a rigid fixing. So I think that's why this one flies better than the Mustang did. And I think outdoors, if it wasn't damp, we'll probably get some good flights out there. So yeah, quite pleased with that. So I think if we could fly outdoors, if it wasn't wet and cold, then we might get some good flights out of this one.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.